Hey everybody, what's up? This is Andrew, the Andrew13, back again with another box breaking video. Today we've got a box of 2020 Donruss Retail. This is a Mega Box. Each Mega Box has 112 cards, including one autograph. You get these pink fireworks. You can't really see that because it's dark, but you get these pink fireworks in every box. They're pretty cool. The pink fireworks autographs are real nice. They're pretty limited. I've got one that was out of 49 and got another one that was out of like 99 that were pink fireworks parallels. So hopefully get another one of those. I think I've opened like 7 or 8 of these now, and I've only got I think 2 of the pink fireworks parallel autographs. So yeah, give this a rip. These are 40 bucks at retail. You can usually find them cheaper than that online. I know my local card store has the ones from last year for only 35 bucks. I opened one of those recently too. So we got Luke Weaver, Robbie Ray, Chris Bryant, Jordan Yamamoto rookie, Lucas Giolito. So this is what the fireworks look like. And there's a pink foil. It's also a exclusive. And then there's I think that's 86 Donruss. I forget which year Donruss is the throwback this year. Alright, so second pack. Max Fried, Mitch Hanninger, Mike Yastrzemski, Paul Goldschmidt, and got the autograph already. And it's a good one. It is Dustin May. Well, here, we got Otani pink fireworks, Bert Blyleven, throwback, and a Josh Rojas. But yeah, let's take a better look at this. So we got Dustin May, autographed rookie for the Dodgers, pink fireworks parallel, and this one is numbered out of 49. So it is 45 of 49. Great pattern on these. I love these cards. So yeah, that one is pretty good. So yeah, pitched into the postseason for them last year. He's only 23, or would be 23 this season, so pretty good prospect for them. Doesn't help to be on one of the biggest teams in baseball too. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. Bo Bichette rookie. Vladimir Guerrero Diamond Kings. A Patrick Bailey from NC State. He was just drafted by San Francisco, I believe, 12th overall. And on the back they have Adley from Baltimore, David Dahl, and Aaron Civale, rookie. The Civale is not a short print, and that one's not a short print. So yeah, that's probably the highlight of this video, but we've got Noah Syndergaard, New York, Juan Soto Diamond King, a Eddie Rosario Independence Day parallel, Bo Bichette now playing pink firework, Max Scherzer pink, and a Joe Plumbo rookie. Yeah, I've got a Brennan McKay regular autograph, but it wasn't a pink firework and it wasn't numbered. So I'd say that's probably the best autograph I've gotten out of here so far. Got a Devers, a Aberg short print, Dubon rookie, a Krylov pink firework rated prospect, a Yelich pink foil, and a Rios retro. Alright, next up, Johnny Cueto, Jose Ramirez, Trevor Story, Yelich short print Yelly, Sam Hilliard rated rookie, Luke Waddell, Chris Bryant, American Pride pink fireworks, Jim Rice, and George Brett. Alright, next up we got Yohan Moncada, Matt Olson, Brandon Lowe, Paul Goldschmidt, Diamond King, Travis DeMerte. That is the short print. You can tell on these because they have the black number and the backs are reversed too. Casey Opties, American Pride with Grandal on the back. Yu Darvish, and a Kevin Mitchell throwback. I know this Donruss stuff doesn't sell great, but I absolutely love it. I feel like for the price you pay, the value you get's great. It'd be nice if they had the logo, obviously, but can't get everything, I guess. Just Surgo, Tampa Bay. Here we got a Baby Shark, Dwight Gooden. Those are fun. It's only the third Baby Shark parallel I've got now. An Elite Series, Matt Chapman, Trent Grisham, and Ricky Henderson. Trent Grisham went by Trent Clark when he was here, and he changed his last name. Not sure the story behind that, but it was something about his adopted dad or something. Austin Meadows, Juan Soto, Tony Goslin, Lance Lynn Diamond Kings, a Dylan Cease, Pink Fireworks rookies, a Luis Arez, Pink, and a Diaz. Yeah, compared to like base tops, I feel like you get a lot better value out of this stuff, but it's never going to sell as well as base tops, which kind of sucks. But Edwin Rios, as seen on Donruss, is that as seen on TV? I don't know. As seen on Donruss, I guess is what it is. Anthony Rizzo, Pink Fireworks, Daza, and Castro. Alright, next up, Altuve, Baumgartner, Eduardo Escobar. This Bell's a short print because it says, if you flip them over, they say Still City on the back. Like there's Beantown for Boston, District of Champions. Got a few different ones. City of Angels, Austin Meadows Dominators, David Fletcher Pink, and a Lewis Thorpe. Xander Bogaerts, Anthony Rizzo, JD Martinez, Buster Posey, Gigante, short print, a Highlights Pool Hose Pink Firework, a Matt Thesis Rated Prospect, or Rated Rookie Pink, and a Michael King. Alright, so down to 2 packs. Jeff McNeil, Josh Bell, there's the regular base, Kyle Schwarber, Nick Solek, Eduardo Cerez, Asa Lacy with Kershaw on the back. He was just picked 3rd overall, I think. Corey Kluber and Bert Blyleven. Alright, so last pack. Yeah, the draft, I killed it with the those USA cards that I have. I've got some more I'll have to open up here soon. But I've got 4 of the number 1 overall pick, Torkelson. There is a Tony Gwynn short print with a black back. Vlad Jr., Toronto. I don't know if that's the variation. It's in like the hit spots, it might be. A Verlander and a Acuna nickname or alternate name, pink foil, and then Jim Rice. So yeah, that was a good box. I don't know if this will pay for the box or not, but it might. It might. It's pretty rare, so. The lack of a logo kind of hurts this stuff a lot, but I don't know. I always have fun with it. It's always a nice rip. Good value for your money. So, I mean, you open $40 in base tops, and chances are you're going to get like a manufactured relic, and that's about it. So, that's if you buy the blasters, you'll get one of these like manufactured pins or something. Well, actually, I guess this is what this year's were. They were those little tiny gold rookie card things. So, alright, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Post new videos every day, usually about 10 a.m. ish. So, alright, thanks. Bye.